Abstraction real-time example previously developed this basic project that is called a hospital domain. The patient is abstract class. The concrete type of the inpatient and outpatient concrete classes is the main class implemented. Now I develop add the new functionality for this project treatment, cardiology treatment and orthopedic treatment. Now write the treatment abstract class. Abstract method that is called treat patient. Now make it class as a abstract. So abstract class. The abstract method. Lovely point. Sorry. Take then after write the y. Method name is this is the abstract method. Now take the concrete method also. Admitted the patient. Admitted the patient, then treat that patient. This is out of this method. Cardiology treatment. Write the concrete class. Class name is the cardiology. Cardiology treatment. This class extends the treatment class. Now implement that methods. Providing the implementation of this method. Treating what related issues. What related issues. This scenario cover the inheritance and polymorphism also. Why? Treatment, this is the method inherited to the abstract class to concrete class. The extension inheritance of happened, and also that overriding the method write the our own implementation for this method. In this case polymorphism also happened. Now take the another class. The class name is the orthopedic. Orthopedic treatment. This class also extend the treatment abstract class. Now implement the method, the treatment method, provide the implementation. That is basic implementation. Treating bone related issues. That is completed this class. Testing the this methods in the main class. Write the main class in the logic of this. patient is the patient. Cardiology. Okay, the orthopedic treatment, orthopedic, orthopedic patient. That's now run the code, run application, hospital domain to see the output of this basic functionality. That is the patient, inpatient, outpatient, and treatment, cardiology treatment, and orthopedic treatment. To see the output of this class. Yeah, this is the inpatient. Patient name, age, bill. This is the outpatient bill. Now new functionality. Patient admitted to the hospital, heart related issue, bone related issue. Thank you.